Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's proceed with the stacked area chart. So with stacked area chart, we must use the legend. So let me click on stacked area chart button. After clicking on the stacked area chart, you can see I have various options under my field button. I have access legend, values, small multiples, and tooltips. So when I don't drag values, or rather drag any field and drop under legend, then the chart that we've built will just be an area chart but not stacked area chart. So for us to generate a stacked area chart, we must drag a field and drop under the legend. So let's proceed on by building a stacked area chart. So I will drag date and drop under axis. I will also drag gross margin and drop under the values option. Then already we have an area chart, and then again I'll drag country now, drop under legend to generate a stacked area chart. And then again we can always do the formatting or cosmetic changes to make it look as you may need. So for me, I'll bring down or put at the bottom the legend. So I'll choose the bottom center option. And again, I want my axis to be more visible, so I'll make the color to be black. And again, I'll apply the same on y-axis. And the colors to be black, and then my legend also I need to be more visible, so I'll make the color black. Of course, I want also to do, or rather to align my title at the center. Then I'll give a border of 16px with the pinkish color. So here already have our stacked column chart, and it's been stacked because we've used the legend option as well. So when you can also do a stacked column chart without using the legend. But now what will be stacked are the numerical values. So here I can drag sales amount and drop under values, and I can also drag total product cost and drop under values. So here you can see we've also built a stacked column chart, but we've not used the legend. What we've used is the numerical values. So again, we can also add our data labels. Okay, and then our data labels also need to be much visible, so I'll make them black. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how we can easily build a stacked area chart with the legend or without the legend. And then let's meet on the next video.